How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another video. As you can see by the title, and as you can see by my bike, I've gone and passed my Mod 2. And I'm over the moon by it. So now I've been told I'm leaving. Me and the boys are just on our way up to Matlock. Got Harry and Danny with me. Gonna go see some bikes. And it feels so good to just have my old plates off, and there's me leaving my indicator on. But look, it's gone. And the back one. So now we can start saving up for a new bike. I'm still wanting that CBR 600RR. But who knows. Thank you to everyone in my last video about the Mod 2 where I failed, for all the kind messages, kind comments. The support was just overwhelming, to be fair. So I'm only a small channel. Other people doing their tests at the same time as me. There was a guy called Venom Bite, and he had his test, I think it was 2 days before mine. And I said in the comments, we're both going to smash it this time. And we did. We both passed it. So congrats to you, Venom. If that is your username. Sorry if it's not. But what an amazing time. I feel so free. I don't know if you can tell, but Danny's just got a new exhaust. I think it's a Black Widow. I'm 99% sure it's a Black Widow, and it sounds amazing. Still got the baffle in as well, and it sounds that good. So yeah, everyone in our little group circle now has a license. I was the last one, and we've gone and done it. Dan's still waiting for his bike. He's getting a Triumph Street Triple. So I'm probably going to still be on a 125 for a little bit. But that's just what we've got to do. I'm just happy these L plates are off. How long did I have an indicator? Bloody hell. Is that what happens? You pass and then you just leave the indicator on constantly? To be fair, I am busy talking to you lot, so I have an excuse. What a day to get out though. It's beautiful out. The sun is shining, bikers are out, and we're having a good time. Speaking of bikers, let's see if we can get one of them to in front of me. Oh well, we'll stop it anyway. Get some content of these guys. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to be out ages today. I just wanted to have a quick blip up to Matlock. I'm lucky it's just like round the corner, so I actually fit in now. I mean, I ain't got the bigger bike yet, but without the L's, I look like a bigger bike. My bike's the same size as their bikes, pretty much. We're hitting a bit of traffic. Hey. Can do. We can just slot in here. Very nice sounding bikes. And then there's mine. Oh, look at that, armature. That's cool. Yeah, I'd say taking off the L's added like, I don't know, 1.5 horsepower. Yeah, I don't know if I'm quite ready for this kind of thing. Oh, what's going off here? A bike and meat. Little bike and meat. What a day to get out though. It's not too warm, but the sun does keep shining. it's just nice. I do that a lot now, I've noticed. Oh yeah, shout out to Slobo Lobo as well, because he's going to be, well, he said that he's going to be making a video and he's going to congratulate me. Not a whole video, just like at the end of one of his videos, I think. He's going to congratulate me on passing my mod 2. So thank you so much to you, Slobo. Everyone go check out his channel if you haven't already. Slobo Lobo, I'll put it on the screen. He rides a VF4 and I think he's getting a Himalayan if it comes through. So if you're into any of them, or if you're into just a funny guy that makes straight bike content, head over there. But yeah, thank you to everyone for believing in me as well, saying no, I'm going to get it this time, and I did. Yeah, it really helped out. But your boy can now go on motorways as well. Imagine that. I've been terrified of ending up on a motorway, but now I'm allowed. Nice lovely little filter session. It's nice, we've got our own little road in the middle, look. Our own little strip. Sounds nice, doesn't it? Yeah, when you went through that tunnel. Alright, I'll catch up with you after we've had a drink and that. We're heading up to Superbike Factory Donnington now. There's a better look at Danny's bike, look. MT7. I don't know. Oh, he's here. Hello. Give us a rev. That sounds beautiful. Quite a few bikes here today, as always. The sun's gone in a little bit, so it's a bit chillier now, if that's even a word. A bit chillier, a bit more chilly. Oh, did you hear that pop? Harry's bike just, it does some things to you.
What do you mean by that?
Can't even imagine riding it. Yeah, I've kind of only got one battery for my camera, so my camera will die at some point. And I'm sorry about that. Cause I was expecting to just go to Matlock, but now we're going to Superbike Factory. At least I ain't got to worry about getting on a motorway now though. Yeah, I should have been more prepared. My batteries weren't charged and I didn't have time to charge them. So unfortunately I'm not going to be able to record it all. But it is what it is. Here we go, got a picture. First picture without the L's, let's hope we can find it. Yeah, this is Danny's first ride with that exhaust on, and he's loving it so far. I haven't got the power for this, boys. Yeah, now I'm waiting. I've been left. I think they're forgetting I'm on a 125, but I've got nothing there. That's cool. Oh, I guess we're riding alone. All by myself. They left me. I had to do some overtaking to get back. I'm still slow. That's what you want. That sound right there. Harry's off now, he's got to go and help a friend. Hey? Yeah, if you want. So me and Danny's going to carry on going to Superbike Factory. So bye, Harry. Go on, Danny. Getting a good lean in on that, innit? Lean in. Got some people doing archery. I remember doing that with scouts. Good fun, to be fair. Danny did mention he needs to go get fuel at some point, so I'm not sure if he needs to go now. Let's try and ask him in bike language. Bike sign language, are you ready? Alright, let me just creep up. No, can't creep up yet. I have to having one. He goes too far ahead. I can't get in front of him. Well, to the side of him. Do you need fuel? Do you? Do you still need to get fuel?
I do, yeah.
Wasn't quite the sign language I hoped for, but we got the message across. Anyway, I'm going to turn the camera off again for a bit so it don't die. We're nearly there now. Unfortunately, you're not going to have any content nearby. How much battery's even on the camera? Can't tell. I think we've got like a quarter left. Been gapped! Where is he? I can't even see him. Oh, he's there! Getting gapped! Getting gapped! That exhaust is doing wonders for that bike. And then you've got mine just screaming its tits off. Got a picture of as well. We've got some rollers. What an amazing day. First ride since taking these L plates off and passing the mod 2. And it's a bloody good one. It's a bloody good one indeed. Did you? I felt nice. Did you see that guy taking rollers? Yeah. Tipped that a little bit too much there. I nearly lost it. That wouldn't have been ideal, would it? Oh. I have no idea what he's doing. Looks like he's doing some kind of TikTok dance. I've got no idea where it's taking me. I usually go that way. Oh, look at the plane. Mate, why do I just randomly get the feeling that something's in my old... I didn't quite see that. I'll leave it rolling until it dies, but I've done my outro in case. Hopefully we can get us pulling into Superbike Factory. That is nice. Is that a GT3? I don't think it was a GT3 RS. But I'm clueless with cars, so... Get some pictures. everyone out taking pictures today. Beautiful. There we are. I think we've made it with the camera still on. Can't tell. Yes. Lovely jubbly. And I see a lot of bikes. Oh my god. Oh yeah, there's a lot here. There's a lot here. Oh my. See if we can fit in here. A lot of bikes here, isn't there? Got all the bikes though. Loads of them. Anyway, my camera might die any second, so I'm just going to do my outro now. Thank you all so much for watching this video, and thank you all so much for commenting on my last videos, helping me out with my Mod 2, because it's fantastic. Yeah. So we're just going to get to Superbike Factory, look at some bikes, have a ride home. Do you want to say bye? I'm ending my video. I said bye. Oh. Bye. Yeah, remember to like, comment, subscribe, do all the YouTube stuff. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye.